So you're about to meet Kayla. She has headaches every day. Sometimes they get really bad. She has migraine type symptoms. She has pain in her lower back that goes down into her leg, into the back of her legs and down into her toes sometimes. She has the tingling and the numbness that are down into her toes, which definitely shows that there's a nerve issue there. So we're going to see what we can do about it.
Squeezing people's hands with his fingers. He's responding to commands with.
So you doing okay? You're a little nervous?
A little nervous.
Okay. Don't worry. I won't do anything until you tell me it's okay. You feel a little bit of tenderness kind of in here?
Yeah, a little bit.
Wow.
Probably some right up here too.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just gonna rotate your head a little bit. There's not a lot of rotation. I'm not even going to move your neck very far. It's just going to be quick, okay? So really quick side note, this is Kayla, this is her x-rays, and I just wanted to show you kind of what hers look like before we get into the adjusting aspect. So she's facing here to the left, and you can see her spine right here is actually going backwards. She also has no space up here, which is causing a lot of her really bad headaches. Just for reference, this is what a good spine looks like. Lots of space. No space. Forward curve, backwards curve. Let's see what we can do about it. Do you want me to just go, or do you want me to tell? Or do you want to tell me?
You can just go.
Okay.
Anyway, the physical therapy, PTs, they were exercising his legs and all the limbs, and then they said, "Today's the day you stand up." You
doing good?
Yeah.
Okay. Smile is a good thing. So just lay there for a second.
Alright.
Sitting on the side of the bed.
Do you feel lightheaded at all?
No.
Good. Awesome.
So he's gonna hold him.
I'm gonna bring you up.
Okay.
Can I step off here? Feel anything?
I feel like I have a new neck.
Feel like you have a new neck?
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Alright.
Good. Anything else? Any, feel like, a lot of people say they feel lighter, like there's a string.
Yeah. Like I used to feel like someone was pressing on my head.
You feel like someone's pressing on your head?
Well, I used to feel like that.
Yeah.
And now it's like dissipated a little bit.
Alright, good first adjustment.
Awesome.
Alright, you can turn it off if you want.